Okay, right, this is Gavin from Hydroworks. Just like to start again because that was rubbish.
Actually, let's keep going.
Fine.
So, when we service all makes of softeners, both domestic and commercial. When you come to us for your commercial servicing, be it little babies like this or even bigger ones, we do a proper job. What have we done here, Gavin?
So yeah, we've opened up the valves on both softeners, removed the spaces and the seals, and checked it all over, replaced the parts that needed replacing, cleaned it all up, put it all back together, and at the moment we're just putting it through a test regeneration, right, just to make sure it's all working perfectly.
And when we got called into this property, this is a big hotel in Broadstairs, when we got called into this one, actually the system wasn't working. What we found was quite interesting. This one had been assembled incorrectly, so the seals and spaces were wrong, and this one had actually never gone into regeneration. And actually what we found as a result is, although the softener is only 3 years old, we've actually found quite a bit of corrosion in this one because it has actually just been sat there with salt build-up attacking the valve. We've also checked all the settings, and here's everything appears to be working well.
Yeah, it seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing.
It's drawing your brine.
Yeah.
So when you come to Hydroworks to get your commercial softener service, we'll do a proper job. We'll strip it down, we'll put it back together, we won't just have a cup of tea and wipe it down.
Yep.
We'll have some fun doing it.
Of course.
And we might even be able to talk over the noise of this. That's it. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.